going to be showing you guys how much you can make during a day doing Uber. So I just started. I generally turn on my app at around 6:15 to 6:30 to try and get an order going south to the area I always do Uber in. Now the formula is there's always a specific area that I target in order to ensure that I'm successful for the day. Okay, so I'm gonna be filming basically a little bit of interaction, and most of my interaction with all the stores. You guys will notice that it's Tim Hortons, McDonald's, Starbucks, Egg Smart, all these different breakfast restaurants in the morning. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Hi, good morning. No, it's Uber. Exactly. 47.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Not too bad, man. Enjoy it, alright? Take care.
Sometimes the order will determine if I take it or not, and it will determine my potential of my tip. So that's usually what I'm looking for, right? On my chin. Hi, good morning. How are you guys? Hi, yes, 4D3? Yeah, thank you so much. Have a good day. Have a good day. Because of the pandemic, a lot of these restaurants are now opening up a second restaurant under their store. So I always pick up from Egg Smart, but it seems as if they've opened up a new store under their store in Uber.
This one? Oh, that's one. 2 months now, eh? Okay, good. No, eh? Makes sense, brother. Take care, huh? I'll see you.
Yes.
Hey, how's it going? I'm just picking up. It's from Michael.
Yeah, this is right here.
Perfect, brother. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day, all right?
You too. Be safe.
Thank you. I will, man. I know, man. It's every day it gets a little bit worse, they say. Huh? So sucks, man. Thank you. Thank you. Take care.
This one's squirrel up. There you go, Mike. Enjoy. Hi. Yeah, 28 FAE.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Enjoy your McDonald's breakfast.
Morning. How are you? Not too bad. It's for Elia. Thank you so much, huh? Have a good day. That's for Elia. Take care. Morning, guys. I'm just picking up this one. Thank you. Morning, guys. Samantha. 8cc? Perfect, thank you. I'll see you, huh?